In recent years, tremendous advancements have been made in the development of alternatives to animal testing, thus eliminating most of the need for these often inaccurate, sometimes cruel experiments on living beings. For these reasons, the United States federal government should ban all animal testing. Notable methods of alternatives include in vitro toxicity testing and research on human embryonic stem cells. Besides avoiding the ethical implications of animal testing, in vitro testing is more cost-effective, reports Transparency Market Research, quoted in PR Newswire, and it has gained regulatory acceptance in the medical community worldwide. As Loanne Skeen, professor at the University of Melbourne, states, using human embryonic stem cells could be a viable and scientifically exciting alternative to animal testing. That's because embryonic stem cells are more adaptable than other stem cells and reproduce infinitely, eliminating the need for a constant supply of new testing material like animals. Such research can determine at a far earlier stage which drugs are viable and which cause issues in humans, issues which may not arise in animal cells. While humans are biologically similar to other animals in some regards, no two species are exactly alike, and these differences create massive problems in the accuracy of animal testing. According to John Pippin, MD, and Christy Sullivan, MPH, of the Physicians Committee for Responsible Medicine, animals of different ages, sexes, developmental stages, and of different health status can all respond differently to experimental treatments. Adverse drug reactions are responsible for 2.2 million hospitalizations and 106,000 deaths annually. In fact, animal tests missed 81% of serious side effects to humans on 43 drugs, according to a recent study in Regulatory Toxicology and Pharmacology, Volume 64. In order to obtain the most accurate results, we test upon animals most similar to us, a mentality referred to as the animal rule by Professors Rebecca Walker of University of North Carolina, Chapel Hill, and Nancy King of Wake Forest University. This rule, they state, clarifies that this animal research is appropriate precisely when such research using human subjects would be immoral, even with their consent. Animal testing poses the Machiavellian moral quandary of means versus ends, except the ends in this situation are often so erroneous and unnecessary they fail to justify the means at all. Another reason, besides biological differences, for these inaccurate testings could be the pain inflicted upon animals during the tests. Bernard Rollin, professor of philosophy, animal sciences, and biomedical ethics at Colorado State University says, as animals do not understand sources of pain, particularly the sort of pain inflicted in experiments, they cannot rationalize that it will end soon, and their whole life becomes the pain. Pain is the source of stress and can skew the results. Essentially, a circular issue is created. We test on animals to make sure medicine or products are safe for humans, so we use unnecessary and imprecise tests on animals, and by testing animals we inflict pain, which skew the results and make the findings even more inaccurate, leading to unsafe products in medicine. Before, animal testing was seen as a necessary evil, but now it's not even that. Alternative methods like stem cells and in vitro testing remove the need for animal testing. There's no longer a need for the ethical dilemma of animal testing, no need for the pain it causes to animals and to humans with its inaccurate results. Why endanger the lives of millions of animals and millions of human beings? The European Union already passed a ban in March on cosmetics tested on animals, but the United States can go further and do more to protect animals and protect ourselves. Rather than a state ban, a federal ban would not only be more comprehensive and cohesive, it would send a strong message to the rest of the world. The federal government should ban all animal testing. It's harmful to animals, it's harmful to humans, and we don't need it.